They say love is about timing, but no one tells you what happens when love exists outside of time itself. What if the person meant for you lives in a moment you can never stay in? Stay with me until the end. Because this is not just a love story. It's a story about choosing between the heart you love and the world you belong to. Every night at exactly 11:11, the world went quiet for her. Not silent, just softer, as if reality itself was holding its breath. That was when the door appeared, a door that didn't exist during the day. A door at the end of an empty street, glowing faintly, as if it was waiting for someone brave enough to open it. She never planned to step through it, but curiosity has a strange way of changing lives. The moment she crossed the threshold, the air felt warmer, time felt slower, and the world felt kinder. That's when she saw him, sitting beneath a tree that shimmered like starlight, reading a book that had no words, only moving light. He looked up and smiled like he had been expecting her. "You're late," he said gently. She laughed nervously. "I don't even know where I am." He closed the book. "Then you're exactly where you're supposed to be." They met every night after that. In a world where the sky changed colors with emotions and memories floated like fireflies, he showed her places no one else could see. A river made of forgotten dreams, a hill where broken promises turned into flowers, and a quiet bench where lost souls learned how to rest. She told him about her world, the noise, the pressure, the loneliness hidden behind busy days. He listened, truly listened, as if every word mattered, and slowly, without realizing it, she fell in love. But something about him felt distant, like a star you can admire but never touch. One night, she asked the question her heart had been avoiding. "Why can't I see you during the day?" His smile faded. "'Cause I don't belong to your time." The world around them dimmed. "I exist between seconds," he continued, "in moments people don't notice. I was created from unfinished love, from words never said, from goodbyes that came too soon." Her chest tightened. "So, what happens if I stop coming?" He looked at her the way sunsets look at the sky before disappearing. "I disappear too." She tried not to come back. She told herself it was safer, healthier, more real, but reality felt emptier without him. The nights grew heavier, the days louder, and at 11:11 her heart still broke, on schedule. Until one night the door began to fade. Panicking, she ran through it. He was weaker, fading, almost transparent. "You weren't supposed to come back," he whispered. "I don't care," she cried. "I choose you." He shook his head slowly. "You can't choose me without losing yourself." That's when the world made her an offer. She could stay, forever. No aging, no pain, no goodbyes, just him. Or she could leave and carry his love back into her world, never seeing him again. She held his hands, feeling them slip like sand. "Love isn't about staying," he said softly. "It's about what you become because of it." Tears fell as she made her choice. The next morning, she woke up in her bed. No door, no glowing world, just silence. But something had changed. She was braver, kinder, more alive. At 11:11, she smiled, not because she missed him, but because she carried him. Years later, she sat on a bench in a quiet park. A boy passed by and stopped suddenly. He looked at her, confused. "Do I know you?" he asked. She smiled. "Not yet." Some loves don't disappear. They reincarnate. Some people love you to stay. Others love you to change you. If this story touched your heart, watch until the very end, because maybe, just maybe, the love you're searching for is already changing you